Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Flooring Report, where we talk about real flooring solutions for real families across East Texas. If you're trying to figure out what flooring actually works for your home, your lifestyle, and your budget, you're in the right place. We're here to give you the good, the bad, and the ugly so you can make the best decision possible. Here's your host, Carson Beavers with Flooring Liquidators.
You're trying to figure out what flooring actually works for your home, your lifestyle, and your budget, you're in the right place. We're here to give you the good, the bad, and the ugly so you can make the best decision possible. With Father's Day coming up, I've been thinking a lot about something I hear from dads all the time. They want a home that looks nice, but they also want a home their kids can actually live in. A lot of fathers are working hard every day to provide for their families. The last thing they want is to spend money on flooring and then spend the next 10 years worrying about every scratch, spill, or muddy footprint. One of my favorite sayings is that you shouldn't have to tiptoe around your floors. I really believe that because flooring is meant to support life, not control it. Think about what happens in a family home over the years. Kids run through the house, pets chase toys across the living room, friends come over, and holiday gatherings fill every corner with activity. The reality is that flooring takes more abuse than almost anything else in your home. If you choose the wrong product for your lifestyle, it can become a constant source of frustration instead of something you enjoy. I've had conversations with parents who fell in love with a particular flooring product because of how it looked in a showroom. Then we started talking about their daily life and realized that product probably wasn't the best fit for their family. That's why I always tell people that the right floor starts with the right questions. How many kids do you have? Do you have pets? How much traffic does your home get? And what are your expectations 5 or 10 years from now? When you answer those questions honestly, the flooring decision becomes much easier. You stop shopping for appearances and start shopping for performance. One thing I appreciate about modern flooring technology is that families have more durable options than ever before. There are products available today that can handle spills, active children, and everyday wear while still looking beautiful. I often tell homeowners that there's quality flooring at every budget level. The goal is not finding the most expensive floor, it's finding the floor that fits your family best. It reminds me of a story that has stayed with me for years. A customer wanted a very expensive hardwood floor installed in a way that I knew would not perform well in our environment. Other people were willing to sell it to them, but I wasn't comfortable doing that. It would have been easier to take the sale, but I knew there was a good chance that floor would create problems down the road. Sometimes doing the right thing means telling someone something they don't want to hear. I would rather help a family make a smart long-term decision than sell them something that causes regret later. As a father myself, I understand that a home is more than a building. It's where memories are made, where kids grow up, and where families spend the moments they'll remember for the rest of their lives. When I think about flooring, I don't just think about materials and installation. I think about birthday parties, family movie nights, muddy shoes after ball games, and all the little moments that make a house feel like home. That's why durability matters so much. Good flooring gives families the freedom to live their lives without constantly worrying about damaging something. You find yourself shopping for flooring this year, especially with a growing family, don't start by asking what looks best. Start by asking what works best for the way your family actually lives. The best flooring choice is usually the one that supports your lifestyle, your budget, and your long-term goals. When those things line up, you end up with a floor that serves your family well for years to come. At the end of the day, I believe homes are meant to be lived in. Your kids should be able to play, your family should be able to gather, and you should be able to enjoy your home without feeling like you have to tiptoe around your floors. Thanks again for listening to the Flooring Report with Carson Beavers from Flooring Liquidators in Tyler, Texas. We appreciate every comment, question, and conversation because we truly love helping homeowners across East Texas.
Thanks again for listening to the Flooring Report with Carson Beavers from Flooring Liquidators in Tyler, Texas. We appreciate every comment, question, and conversation because we truly love helping homeowners across East Texas. If you'd like to reach us, call 903-437-7527 or visit flgliquidators.com. We'll see you next time.